Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the lecture series of your game development. In this comprehensive playlist, I am explain you how do we implement the 3D games using Unity engine. So without wasting of time, we start with the Unity Hub. So when you install the Unity, right, it will display the icon Unity Hub. Just click on this, so it will launch a Unity Hub. As we can see here, this is my Unity Hub. It is loading. Now in this, we first create a project. So here we have a option to create a project, new project. Click on new project. Now there are many options, right? But since we are creating a 3D games, so we will first select the 3D built-in render pipeline, and then here we have a project name. So now this is my demo project, or we can call it Soft Core Academy project, and then we click on create project. So as we can see here, it is creating a project, Softcore Academy project. Just wait for some time. It will load all the required templates or components, and it will display a layout. After creation of the project, it will show the screen like this. See, here we have a scene window. As we can see here, यहाँ पे scene दिखा रहा है. तो this part, the scene part is basically used to design your game graphical user interface. यानी गेम का जो GUI रहेगा वो हम लोग यहाँ डिज़ाइन करेंगे. When we create a new project, by default it will create a two components, main camera and directional light. So these are the two main components by default that are created when we create a new project. Okay, so now we start with the development of the simple game. So in this we will see how do we translate a game object on a plane. So go to the game object, then 3D objects. Here we have a plane. As we can see here, this is my plane. We can change the name of this plane, right? और हम लोग इसको as it is भी रख सकते हैं. So this is my plane. Now we can see there are three arrows. One is green, and then second one is your red and blue. So green indicates y-axis, red indicates x-axis, and blue indicates z-axis. So this is my 3D game. That's why it is showing three axes, x, y and z. Now I want to change the size of this plane. So these are the tools. ये हमारे पास tools available है. This is my rotation tool, scaling tool, rect tool and transform tool. So now I am selecting the move tool, and I want to increase the size of this tool. So we select this scale, and now I am scaling the plane. Then I want to move the plane. तो यहाँ पे जो है इसको select करना है, and then slightly move the plane. You can increase the size of the plane using a z-axis. This one. So now this is my plane. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Each and every time we have to check the scene in the main camera. As we can see here, right, the camera position and the plane position, both are not matching. हम लोग दिख रहा है यहाँ पे in main camera we are not able to see anything. So go to the game object, align with view. So now it will automatically align the view with respect to the main camera. So now as we can see here, within main camera the plane is visible. Now next we create a project. So just click on right click on this, create new folder. So now this is my folder for material. In this folder we store all the materials that are used for the development of this game. Just click on this, right click, create. Here we have a material. So now this is my plane material. That's why I am giving a name as plane material. Now select this plane material and then select this option, and then we can change the color of this material. जो भी color हमको set करना है, we can use the different colors. As we can see, there are multiple colors here. So now this is my color. Just drag and drop the material on plane. As you can see, this will change the color of your this plane. Now moving to the next part, again go to the game object, 3D objects. Now this time I am taking a cube. So this is my cube object. Again this is my cube. I can translate the object in all three directions. This is my x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, right? You can move the object in all three directions, and then again check the position of this object in main camera. So now it is visible. Just click on play button. So it will launch the game and it will execute the code. So as we can see here, this game object cube, which is my player, right? It is ये जो है, it is not on the ground. ये ग्राउंड पे नहीं है, प्लेन के ऊपर नहीं है, इट इज़ इन एयर, ये एयर पे है. तो नाउ हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जस्ट सिलेक्ट दिस क्यूब ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऐड कंपोनेंट, देन वी ऐड रिजिड बॉडी. अब यहाँ पे दो है, देयर आर टू रिजिड बॉडीज. तो दिस रिजिड बॉडी 2D इज बेसिकली यूज फॉर 2D गेम्स एंड रिजिड बॉडी इज डिजाइन फॉर 3D गेम्स. तो नाउ हम लोग यहाँ पे रिजिड बॉडी ऐड कर देंगे. नाउ अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस प्ले बटन. देन वी रियलाइज कि सिंस वी आर एडिंग अ ग्रेविटी टू द गेम ऑब्जेक्ट, तो इट फॉल डाउन. ये फॉल डाउन हुआ. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, जस्ट स्टॉप दिस गेम, वी एडेड दिस रिजिड बॉडी विथ मास 1. तो ये मास 1 है और यूज ग्रेविटी फोर्स जो है इसके ऊपर अप्लाई होगा, तो इट विल फॉल डाउन. नाउ वी क्रिएट अ नेक्स्ट मटेरियल फॉर द क्यूब. अगेन राइट क्लिक, न्यू, क्रिएट मटेरियल, एंड दिस इज माय प्लेयर मटेरियल. तो आई एम गिविंग अ नेम एज प्लेयर मटेरियल और क्यूब मटेरियल. यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव अ नेम एज क्यूब मटेरियल. द अगेन सिलेक्ट द कलर. You can select any color. Now apply this color on this cube. Now this is my cube. We can increase the size of this cube. तो scale tool use करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, suppose I want to increase the size in Z direction. तो we just select this blue arrow and then size increase होगा. ऐसे ही सेम X direction में I want to increase, तो X. इन द Z डायरेक्शन में, Y डायरेक्शन तो Y में हो रहा है. बट सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू इंक्रीज द साइज और स्केल अप और स्केल डाउन द प्लेयर इन ऑल 3 डायरेक्शन. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द मिडल ऑफ द क्यूब एंड देन इंक्रीज द साइज, और यू कैन डिक्रीज फ्रॉम द माउस. तो नाउ दिस इज माई प्लेयर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दिस इज माई प्लेन वेयर the surface of the game is design, and this is my player. ये मेरा player है जो translate करेंगे हम लोग ये surface के ऊपर. Now we done with the designing part of the game. Now go to the assets, then right click, create a new folder. This is my scripts. अच्छा, script folder हम लोग किस लिए बना रहे हैं? So that we can write all the scripts, right, of the game in this folder. तो नाउ स्क्रिप्ट में राइट क्लिक, क्रिएट C# script. So now this is my script for move the or transform the translate the game object to player movement. This is my script name. Now as we can see here, ये मेरा code है. Now just double click on this player movement script. Just wait for some time. It is loading the script. Now just double click on this script. It will launch a Microsoft Visual Studio and we will write a code in Microsoft Visual Studio. To make sure before writing a script you have to install Microsoft Visual Studio. You can use any version of the Microsoft Visual Studio. My version is 2022. It's better you can use this version. That's it for this video. Now in the next video I will explain you how do we write the script for the translation of the game object. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.